Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Tom Ford. Beautiful bronze gold eyeshadow. We have one matte, rest of it have little bit shimmer. Oh, they do have shimmer. I will swatch on my hands this collection. A new price point, only $89 for Tom Ford. It's not too much, but I think they look so pretty. We're gonna use Giorgio Armani lip color, and I promise this will be very easy video, and you will see me naked. It's me no makeup, and stay here if you wanna look young, if you wanna learn my technique. This is video for you. Give me thumbs up and let's start. I have already on my skin foundation, little bit highlighter and bronze, and I did fill my eyebrows. And now we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Tom Ford. I'm coming a little bit close to you. Its name Tiger Eye. It's number 36. It's $89, and we have here like it's a shimmer eyeshadow. We have matte eyeshadow, and they're very like a goldy, like we'll say, like we have little gold, orange here, brown, bronze. I will say it is like a tiger palette. And you know what, let me make a swatch on my hand, which you will see these four colors. Again, it's $89. It is coming with four little brushes. I usually barely ever using them, but they actually, if I can look at them, they're actually very good quality. It just I used to good brushes. Okay, let's put eyeshadow primer first. I'm gonna put on my hand, and then I will show you a color. And also I'm gonna use same eyeshadow primer on my eyelid, and it's MAC. It's my favorite eyeshadow primer, Painterly. Okay, it's have like a little nude color. I'm gonna use this first color, and it's a lighter color, this palette, and you can see it's like a light gold color. It's not much color in this first eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna use this one. It looks like more orangey. Right here it's another color, and it's, you can see, slightly orange. When I read description it says pigmented. I'm not sure. I'm not see like too much pigment so far on my hand. Okay, let's try third color, and it's supposed to be like brown. Okay, it's a brown. It's a slightly like a bronze taupey color. And last color, and I'm gonna just put next to lighter color. Ooh, yes, this one, it is pigment. It's a matte color, and we're probably gonna use right here on the corner and under my eyes. Basically, it's a one I see intense color, and another is pretty soft. Okay, let me put eyeshadow primer on my eyelid, and then we're gonna use this eyeshadow palette. But it's a pretty palette. I like these colors. Now I have a big blending brush, and we're gonna start with this beautiful orange color. And this is its color we're gonna apply on the middle part of my eye. And I'm coming slightly a little bit close to you. I want you to see close. You can see this is my suckle areas, like inside. I apply a little bit above. Now I have a flat brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful bronze color, and I'm gonna apply on the corner of my eyes. kind of, you can see halfway I apply and I pushing up. Yes, eyeshadow look very soft. They're not too pigment, and they do look pretty. My eyes already just with two colors look so natural. And now I have a small blending brush from North, my favorite brush. We're gonna use this darker eyeshadow. I'm gonna start putting like from center of my eyes, and I push in this darker color little bit up. What it does, it's gonna lift my eye without plastic surgeon, and it's gonna make my eyes way more bigger. You see right away how this looks small and how this big. Now same eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put close to my lashes and put this darker color on my crease, like in a corner, like letter C. Okay, you can see this is eyeshadow. It's a little bit too much, a little bit aggressive. I have a big blending brush, and we're just gonna everything blend. I started from underneath and I pushing up. And you can see it's big difference, right now. This is eyeshadow. It's very actually simple. It's very easy to apply. Now I have again this small tiny brush. We're gonna use this darker color, and I'm gonna apply again close to my lashes, go up and pushing this darker color to my suckle area, and I'm just pushing this darker eyeshadow slightly, little bit up, not too much, just very slightly. Getting big brush. One more time we need to blend. And now I am gonna use this little sponge. We're gonna use this lighter color in this palette, and I'm just gonna put on the corner of my eye. This become very cold, bronzy. Ooh. On another side I have small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this lighter color close to my brow bone, just like right here on top. Eyeshadow looks beautiful, like the bronze, gold, so pretty. I have a little bit my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna little bit clean underneath. I have just slightly left here foundation. And remember, lighter color, which one is this palette, we apply close to brow bone, or like your eyebrows, and in the corner. And I am working very hard. I want to be a gold Nordstrom pacer, and I'm so tired and exhausted. And now I'm gonna use a white eyeliner, and it's from Dior. I'm not sure if they're still making this or not, and I'm gonna put on my Waterline. But if we're not selling anymore, I will link on my link probably MAC have a beautiful white eyeliner, and it's removing my tiredness. Then I actually gonna curl my lashes with Laura Mercier eyelash curler. It's my favorite. And then we're gonna put little bit mascara, I'm gonna put false lashes, and I'm gonna use underneath. And my husband just come and tell me we're gonna go take a picture with Santa. Finally! Every time when I do my makeup, like 10 minutes, I go to like wash my face and just cooking and cleaning. Finally, we're gonna go somewhere. This is look not gonna waste. Okay, girls, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, and let's finish this. Let's finish this. My lashes, it's done, and now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner from Lancome. It's a sample, and I always use this ginormous mirror from Simply Human. It's the best mirror. You can adjust here light if you want a brighter light or softer light, but I need a big magnified mirror. It's the best. This is particular one, I think it's like 10 years old. I have two Simply Human mirror. If you do not have, girls, get it. They are like $150 to $100, or sometimes depend what model, like it costs a little bit more, but I think if you will go with like 200, it's a good model. It's the best mirror, the best investment I ever done. And of course I will link below, because when I apply my eyeliner, I need this magnifier mirror. I need sometimes light, and it's the best to apply eyeliner, eyeshadow or mascara. Okay, let's do it. Eyeliner give me nice beautiful pop, and let's time to use mascara. I'm gonna use today Chanel mascara. Really like this brush, very similar to Chanel brush. Both mascaras I really like, and I'm just gonna apply very little, and then I'm gonna put false lashes, and of course we need to use this mascara on the bottom too. And I will be right back with my false lashes. Okay, we finished with eyes. They look soft, very sexy. It's like I do have makeup, but it's not too much. It's not staged. Ooh, I love this eyeshadows. And now, oh, my little Pomeranian barking, must be somebody else coming home. Probably my daughter. Now I'm gonna use a blush, and it's from North. It's a sample, and it's named Sex Orgasm. Okay, just little bit on my cheek, and I push a little bit up. Very pretty color. And for my lips, I'm gonna use Clinique lip liner number 02 Intense Cafe, and today we're gonna use it's like a reddish brown lip color from Giorgio Armani. It's Lip Power number 202. Lips, it's done. It's like a red brick color. Usually you will not see this lip color on me, but it's actually very pretty. Okay, girls, I think it's a very simple look. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.